Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to the very first segment of my channel, Tales from the Sales by Eddie Does IT. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about the recent update from Cisco Duo Security regarding the name changes to their subscription packages, as well as a change to one of their popular features, Trusted Endpoints. Now, whenever I'm having conversations with customers about bring your own device policies, often the question comes up, what is Trusted Endpoints and what would that look like for our environment? So I'll be demonstrating a proof of concept using Microsoft's Intune as my mobile device management solution, as well as demonstrating a proof of value behind this type of integration. If this information is useful, like, comment, subscribe is appreciated. Let's go. The first thing I'm going to show you is the previous list price for Duo MFA, Access, and Beyond, now known as Essentials, Advantage, and Premier. And if you scroll down the document, you can see where Trusted Endpoints is now available across all three tiers. What I really like about this solution is that it no longer requires a certificate-based deployment out to your devices in order to verify if the device is trusted. On the document, we can see where the previous integration can be safely ignored. Continuing through the document, we can see a link available for the Dual Device Health application, which is required to be installed on the endpoints. Essentially, the Device Health app is responsible for sending out that API call out to your MDM solution to verify if the device is corporate managed or unmanaged. And as mentioned previously, we can safely ignore certificate verification. If we hop over to Dual Management Integration section, we can find the Microsoft Intune document where I'm going to do a configuration demo. From the Dual Admin panel, select Trusted Endpoints and then get started. We're going to scroll over to Intune and select Windows. Here I'll be going through the steps for section 1. And for simplicity, I'm going to select single tenant. Here, be sure to select device read all under permissions. And we have now completed the steps for section 1. Moving on to section 2, create an application secret. Select 24 months. I'm okay with showing the value of my secret key as this is a demo that I'll be deleting after the video. And we have now completed section 2 for Intune's Trusted Endpoints. In section 3 of the steps, we'll be copying and pasting the value of the application key, directory key, and the secret key. For the directory, I'm not going to show that as that is the key to my Azure tenant. Change integration status to active. And if you want to select a group, you can absolutely do that. For this demo, I'm just going to select activate all. In the policies, I'm going to scroll down to Trusted Endpoints and then select Require Endpoints to be Trusted. I am using a personal device, so now I'm going to try to access an application that is protected behind Trusted Endpoints. And as we can see, I am not allowed access because I'm not on a trusted device. Now I'm going to switch over to Intune where we can take a look at the properties of my corporate managed device. We can see my corporate managed endpoint called Defender. Within this details, we can see the serial number as well as the device ownership showing as corporate. Now I'm going to log into my corporate device where you can see the host name as well as the matching serial number for Microsoft Intune. Now I'm going to try to access the same application from this managed device. Enter my Duo verified push. And as you can see, I was able to access my application from my corporate managed device. Back in the Duo admin panel under reports, here we can see where my personal device tried to access the application and denied because it was not a trusted endpoint. And then we can see where my corporate device was granted access because it was a trusted endpoint enrolled in Microsoft Intune. All right, this concludes the proof of concept where I went through a configuration demo to show how easy it is to configure and deploy. I showed a demo on what the behavior looks like for an untrusted device, meaning not corporate managed. I also showed a demonstration on what the behavior looks like for a trusted device, meaning corporate managed. But most importantly, I demonstrated what the proof of value looks like for this type of integration, that contextual visibility that you get in your reporting system. And the added value is that no MDM is perfect. There are organizations facing challenges on how to gain more visibility for their applications that are being accessed by personal devices. And with Trusted Endpoints, it's that visibility that as an organization would allow you to make that type of decision. Do we allow or deny access? And if we allow it, how do we strengthen the authentication experience? Guys, it was an absolute pleasure. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video, Tales from the Sales by Eddie Does IT. Please subscribe so you can get that notification when more videos like this are released. Stay tuned.